Hello students, today we are going to see miscellaneous exercise on chapter 6, questions 19 to 24. Question number 19, a cylindrical tank of radius 10 meter is filled with wheat at the rate of 314 cubic meter per hour. Then the depth of the wheat is increasing at the rate of, there are 4 options given. So let us see what is given in this. A cylindrical tank, the radius of the tank is given as 10 meters and it is filled with wheat at the rate of 314 cubic meter per hour. So it is filling with wheat, that means the volume is increasing. So rate of change of volume is given. The rate of change of volume is nothing but dV by dt. So dV by dt is equal to 314 meter cube per hour. Now we have to find the depth of the wheat, that is a height, the rate of change of height. So rate of change of height, that means we have to find dH by dt. So what is the volume of a cylinder? Volume is pi r square h. So differentiate this. So dV by dt is pi, r is given. So because r is given, it is a constant. So dV by dt is pi, r is 10. 10 square is 100. H is a variable. So differentiate h with respect to t. So that is pi, differentiate h with respect to t. So pi 100 into dH by dt. So substitute now, dV by dt is 314 and pi is 3.14 into 100 into dH by dt. So we can 3.14 into 100 is 314. So cancel that, you get dH by dt is equal to 1. So 1 cubic meter per hour. So the answer is 1 meter cube per hour. That is the option A. Question number 20. The slope of the tangent to the curve x is equal to t square plus 3t minus 8. Y is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 at the point 2, minus 1. So x is given in terms of the parameter. It is in parametric form. X and y are in parametric form. At the point x is 2 and y is minus 1. So it is given in the parametric form. So we have to find the slope. Slope of the tangent means we have to find dy by dx. So first we have to find dx by dt because x is in terms of t. Then you have to find dy by dt. So let us find dx by dt. So t square differentiation is 2t, 3t is 3. dy by dt, 2t square is 4t minus 2. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. So what is dy by dt? 4t minus 2 by 2t plus 3. Now we have to find the slope at the point t because it is in terms of t. The slope we got in terms of t, but the point is given in terms of x and y. So we have to find t. So how do you find t? Put x is equal to 2, x is 2 in this and solve this quadratic equation. So t square plus 3t minus 8 is equal to 2. T square plus 3t minus 10 equal to 0. So t plus 5 into t minus 2. The product is minus 10. Sum is 3. So t is minus 5 and t is 2. We got 2 values for t. So let us put y is minus 1 and then find t. So y is minus 1 when you put, you get 2t square minus 2t minus 5 is equal to minus 1. So 2t square minus 2t minus 4 equal to 0. We can divide throughout by 2. T square minus t minus 2 is equal to 0. So t minus 2 into t plus 1 equal to 0. The product is minus 2, sum is minus 1. So t minus 2 into t plus 1 is equal to 0. So t is 2, t is minus 1. So t is 2 is common for both. So that is the value for t. So t is 2, we have to substitute here because t is 2 is common. So substitute t is 2 in this. 4 into 2 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 7. Answer is 6 by 7, that is the option B. Question number 21. The line y is mx plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y square is equal to 4x. What is the value of m? So y is mx plus 1, we can substitute it here. So when you substitute y is mx plus 1, we get mx plus 1 the whole square is equal to 4x. Is a tangent means they have a common point. The curve and the tangent, they have a common point. So we can substitute y is equal to in that. So you will get m square x square plus 1 plus 2mx is equal to 4x. So m square x square plus 2m minus 4x, you can take out the common x outside, plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic in x square. So we have to find the point x. To find the point x, if you find the discriminant value. What is discriminant? Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. If the discriminant is equal to 0, then that means they have a common point. If delta is greater than 0, when you find the discriminant, if it is greater than 0, you get two values for x. If delta is b square minus 4ac equal to 0, that means the line touches the curve. That means the roots are equal. x1 is equal to x2. If delta is greater than 0, that means the line intersects the curve at 2 points. So x1 and x2 are different. x1 and x2 are different points. If the discriminant is less than 0, that means the line does not touch the curve. So here the line is a tangent. That means delta is 0. x1 is equal to x2. So it is a quadratic equation. Let us find delta. What is delta here? B square minus 4ac. A is m square, the coefficient of x square. B is 2m minus 4. C is the constant. Just substitute it here. So 2m minus 4 the whole square minus 4. A is m square. C is 1. So when you expand it, you get 4m square plus 16 minus 16m minus 4m square is equal to 0. So 16 minus 16m is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 1. That means the option A is the answer. Question number 22. The normal at the point 1, 1. The normal, you have to read the question carefully whether the normal is passing through the point or at the point. So here in this case it is at the point 1, 1 on the curve 2y plus x square is equal to 3. So we're going to find the normal equation of the normal at the point. So as usual, we have to first find the slope of the tangent. So how do you find the slope of the tangent at the point? So 2y plus x square is equal to 3. Differentiate 2 into dy by dx plus 2 into x is equal to 0. So 2 into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. So dy by dx is equal to minus x. At the point 1, 1, put x is 1. So you get minus 1. That means the slope of the tangent is minus 1. What will be the slope of the normal? We want the normal. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. That is, take the reciprocal and change the sign. So minus 1 by minus 1. That is equal to 1. So now we find the equation of the normal at the point. So y minus equation of the normal at the point 1, 1. So equation of a line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1, m is 1, x minus 1. So y minus 1, x minus 1. That means x minus 1 minus y plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. X minus y is equal to 0. So that is the option B is the answer. X minus y is equal to 0. Question number 23. The normal to the curve x square is equal to 4y passing through. The normal is not at. It is passing through. So this is, suppose this is the tangent and this is the normal. That, you know, the normal is a line. that is perpendicular to the tangent. So the normal is passing through 1, 2. So this point we don't know. At the point x1, y1, we don't know this point. So let us take it as x1, y1. So you know that these two lines are perpendicular. So let us find the slope of the tangent as usual. So the slope of the tangent is 2x is equal to 4 into dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 2x by 4. That means is x by 2. So at the point, the tangent at the point, this point is not given. So we are taken it as x1, y1 is x1 by 2. So what will be the slope of the normal? How do you find the slope of the normal? You take the reciprocal and change the sign. Minus 1 by the slope of the tangent. So minus 2 by x1. That is the slope of the normal. Now we can find the slope of the normal using the 2-point form, because we know 1 point, 1, 2. We can find the slope of this line normal using the slope formula. 2-point formula, we know that because we know 2 points here. One point is x1, y1, the other point is 1, 2. So what is the slope of the normal? Formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus, that is y1 minus 2 divided by x1 minus 1. That is a slope formula. So both are equal to the slope of the normal, isn't it? This is also slope of the normal. We use the 2-point formula, and this is the slope of the normal we found using the differentiation. So now equate these two. So when you equate these two, y1 minus 2 by x1 minus 1 is minus 2 by x1. So cross multiply x1 y1 minus 2x1 minus 2x1 plus 2. Minus 2x1 cancelled. So x1 y1 is 2. Now this x1 y1 passes through the curve. What is the equation of the curve given? X square is equal to 4y. So x as x1, y as y1. So x1 square is equal to 4y1. So y1 is x1 square by 4. So substitute that here. X1 into y1. What is y1? X1 square by 4. That we got it from that equation. That we got it from the equation of the curve. So x1 cube is 8. So x1 is equal to 2. Once you know x1, you can find y1. So what is y1? x1 square by 4. What is y1? x1 square by 4. x1 is 2. So 2 square by 4, that is 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So we found this point x1, y1 as 2, 1. So we can now find the equation of the normal at the point 2, 1. So the equation of the normal at the point 2, 1, we know the slope of the normal minus 2 by x1. So minus 2 by x1. Minus 2 by what is x1? 2. That is equal to minus 1. So substitute now. Y minus, the equation is y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. So y minus 1 is equal to m is minus 1, x minus 2. So y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. So x plus y is equal to 3. Or A is the answer. X plus y is equal to 3. Now question number 24. The points on the curve 9y square is equal to x cube is a cubic curve. The normal to the curve makes equal intercept. This is the condition given. The normal makes equal intercepts. Now what is the slope of the tangent? Let us find the slope of the tangent. So 9y square is x cube. 9 into differentiate. Y square is 2y dy by dx is equal to 3x square. So dy by dx is equal to x square by 6y. 3 and 3 get cancelled. So what is the slope of the normal now? Take the reciprocal and change the sign. So what is the reciprocal? 6y by x square. Change the sign. Okay. So equation the normal is given as, what is given? They make equal intercepts. Makes equal intercepts. Intercept form we know. intercept form of a line, we know what is intercept form. X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So the equal intercept, that means A and B are equal. That's given here. So x by A plus y by A is equal to 1. So x plus y is equal to A. So y is equal to minus x plus A. This minus 1 is the slope, because we know that y is mx plus c, m is the slope. So here your m is minus 1. So minus 1 is the slope of the normal. But already we have written the slope of the normal as minus 6y by x square. Using differentiation we have found it. So minus 6y x square is equal to minus 1. Both the slopes are equal to the slope of the normal. So 6y is equal to x square. The curve is 9y square is equal to x cube. We have to find x square. So we have to remove this variable y. Okay, or x. We have to remove this variable y. So how do you remove this variable y? Equation the curve is given. This normal is passing through, the normal passes through the curve, right? Passes through the curve. Therefore, we can just replace this y square. Substitute for y. What is y? X square by 6. So what is y square? X power 4 by 36. So we get 9 cancel. So x power 4, 4x cube, 1x cube and 1. This cancel. So x is equal to, you will get 4. So x is equal to 4. Now substitute that x is equal to 4 in this. So we get y. So 9y square is equal to 4 cube. So y square is equal to 64 by 9. Y is root of 64 by 9 plus or minus 8 by 3. So the option is A, 4 and plus or minus 8 by 3. That is option A is the answer. Thank you.